Nonprofit organizations are always trying to find cost-effective ways to reach their donors and volunteers, as well as the individuals they serve. Text message services can be an excellent component of a nonprofit marketing campaign. It's simple to send mass text messages in seconds to your subscriber list, keeping your cause and organization at the forefront of their minds. Most nonprofit organizations rely heavily on others to plan events, organize drives, raise funds, or deliver services to those in need. Recruiting volunteers via SMS messages can be a fast and effective way to pull together the people power you need to get things done. For example, if a natural disaster strikes suddenly in your community, a text appeal can be sent out right away to pull together needed supplies or donations, as well as volunteers to help those in need. Text messages can also be sent to express appreciation after an event, share the work your organization has accomplished, as well as solicit feedback for improvements in the future through quick surveys. To learn more about a text message service for nonprofits, check out DialMyCalls. We specialize in helping organizations run effective SMS marketing campaigns. Sign up for a free account and pick up a trial at no charge. You'll be able to conduct your first SMS marketing campaign to further the mission of your nonprofit today.